Let's make homemade cheese sauce. Melt butter in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon flour. 360 milliliters evaporated milk. Mix well. 80 grams quick melt cheese. 1 tablespoon cheese powder. Mix until well combined. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. Check our tagged products for the items you'll need to make and store your cheese sauce. It's done once it's thick, but still pourable. Strain it through a sieve to smooth it out. Can last up to 2 to 3 days in the fridge. Let it cool at room temp, then transfer into a clean containers. Our total cost for this cheese sauce recipe is 95 to 100 pesos. Here's our costing and exact list of the ingredients. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video.